Hello Kaguro! Today we're going to learn about the thinking log for learners. Paano ba ito ginagawa? Paano ba ito gagawin ng mga bata para sa darating na pasukan? For sure, meron tayong matututunan ngayon. Pero bago yan, please subscribe muna kayo sa ating channel and please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Thinking log for learners shall be based from the actual implemented class program. The thinking log shall be prepared by the subject teachers without any signatories to be consolidated by the class advisor. It shall be distributed together with the learning modules and can be retrieved together with the modules also. What are the parts of the thinking log? The first part is yung date and day. The second part is the subjects. Dito nila isusulat yung subject schedule based on the class program. Halimbawa, based on the actual class program ngayong October 5, that's Monday, schedule ng bata na sasagutan yung math module niya from 8 to 12 noon. Yun yung ilalagay natin sa second part. Then in the afternoon, ang schedule naman niya na sasagutang modules from 1:30 to 4:30 is English. So dapat makikita yan sa ating thinking log. Magmamatch ang schedule ng thinking log sa actual class program. The third part is my reflection. After the pupil is done answering the module, ipapasok niya dito yung kanyang reflection based on the questions. These are the sample questions that you may write or modify in the reflection. First question, things I learned today. Dito isusulat ng bata ang mga natutunan niya sa mga subjects na kanyang sinagutan at pinag-aralan. Second, things I like most in the lessons. Dito naman isusulat ng bata kung ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan niya sa lessons. Third, question I want to ask. Sa parting ito ay isusulat ng bata ang kanyang mga katanungan or topic na kung saan siya nahihirapan. Sa pamamagitan nito, malalaman at matutulungan siya ng kanyang guro sa kanyang mga pag-aaral. Fourth, my most enjoyable experience in the lessons. Ito ay kung ano ang pinaka-nagustuhan at pinaka-na-enjoy niyang mga activities base sa kanyang nagawa o mga natutunan ng mga lessons. The thinking log is where the learners write the reflection, experiences, or insights for the subjects of the day. To make it clear, the thinking log will be part of the learner's portfolio. To get a soft copy of our thinking log for learners, available po sa ating description box below. Thank you, Kaguro!